Hello guys. Good afternoon or good evening Philippines and good morning here in Canada. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Today we're gonna do another routine because last time I made a bit mistake when I'm doing that lat pull down because I do like two sets each. No, that's not good. The impact of that muscle probably just only 330 to 40%. Okay, we're gonna do a new vlog this morning and we're gonna do a lat pull down using a rope, not the bars, because last time we did like two in one, so it's not pretty good at all. So I made a big mistake in there. So probably we're gonna do pure lat pull down with ropes to it. So probably about couple, no, not couple, three or four sets, and then let's start cracking, guys. Yeah. So yeah, it's about almost midnight here now. Yeah, I start a little bit early and then go straight from here. The gym is it's not too bad at all. So a bit quiet morning. So okie dokie. Okay. Once it's done, probably a couple more sets, and then we'll call in the morning. Yeah, it's not too bad because last time here, guys, we went here. Last time it's a bit busy morning, so this time a bit quiet, so it's good. Yeah, see, guys, it's pretty quiet morning, eh? Yeah. But quiet morning. Okay. We put another 10 pounds, so probably around that 50, 55 pounds loading. It's not about the heavy that you lift, guys. It's the technique and proper form to get a good result. And every time, don't rush in, guys. Because if you rush in, that's not too bad. That's not good, guys. Your muscle impact, muscle target is not gonna be 100%, guys. Okay. So, pardon the release again, guys. There's a machine coming in. boy. Probably that's it. Three is enough. So, okay. Yeah, good thing is not busy morning, guys. Okay. Yeah, well, we call it in the morning, guys. So probably that's it. So last time I did a little bit mistake because when I use pull down, I do 2-in-1 and then only 2 sets each. So the impact of the muscle target is probably 40-50%. That's why I did just pure lat pull down. We're using ropes, and I've been hearing this how many times, guys, that we go to the gym or fitness, etc. He said it's a show off. Okay, fitness and workout is not a show off, guys. It's about to keep you fit, healthy, and strong and active, guys. Okay, so probably that's it for the morning. We call it a day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.